So our next word is pretentious.
I hate to break it to you, but wanting to be a director doesn't mean that you are one. You're just a pretentious, mediocre little fanboy.
When you are pretentious, you are trying to seem better than you actually are. You're you're putting on airs. You're trying to seem richer or more beautiful or smarter or more talented than you really truly are. You may speak differently. And when you're doing this, you are kind of putting people down. I'm better than you. And so you're just trying to pretend that you're something that you're not. Maybe you're doing it because you're trying to fit in, so you're trying to seem like you're more than you are. Maybe if like you go to like a boarding school or a private school that has like a lot of wealthy kids that go there, maybe you're there on a scholarship. Maybe you're not so wealthy, but you try and pretend. I'm trying to pretend that I have more money than I do. I'm trying to pretend that I'm more cultured than I am. So you're trying to pretend. Well, you are pretending. You're pretending you are more than you are. You're better than you are. You have more talent, more money, more whatever. Better whatever it is. And you're kind of doing it so you can look down on people a little bit. So it's not a great thing for you, because that can't feel good to feel like you have to be more than you actually are. And you're probably not being super nice to people around you. So if you're doing it to try and fit in, you're probably being nice to the people you're trying to fit in with. But it probably also means that you're being mean to people that maybe you were friends with before, or, people that are beneath you because you're so great. So when you're being pretentious, it's negative. Pretentious is definitely a negative word. If someone calls you pretentious, or if you call someone pretentious, it's mean. It is not nice. It could be true. In this scene, it's not true. Eden, again, is so mean. I think Eden might actually be the one that is pretentious. So she's calling someone pretentious just to be mean. She's basically saying, you're not as talented as you think you are. You're not as talented as you pretend to be. You pretend to be this super talented person, but you're not. You pretend that your talent is here, but it's actually here. Because when you're pretentious, you're pretending to be more than you are. You're pretending to be more talented than you are. So when you call someone pretentious, you're saying you're pretending to be more talented than you are. You're not as talented as you're pretending to be. So it's not very nice. It's pretty mean, actually.